good evening, friends. So, friends, today we will start with our next topic, that is breakouts. But if you have any doubt regarding trend line, channels, okay, so please tell me. I will just go through I will go through all those things in short, in brief. Friends, are you able to hear me? Is there voice? Okay. Is there any topic in any doubt in previous sessions, friends? Suman ji, कोई doubt, sir? Suman ji, Manoj ji, any doubt, sir? Hello. Okay. So, friends, I am starting with today we'll start with breakouts. I think I have made clear everybody how to make trend line, how to draw trend line, how to make channels. Let us just go through once again how we can take trend line and channel. So just look at this portion of the axis. I have opened axis band. Okay, so this is a daily chart, friend. So you could see here the stock is from this part of the time, stock was in we can say some in range, and after this range stock has taken a breakout of this. So see, it has broken this range. Once stock has broken this range, it has given a very good move, even crossed previous resistance level. Okay, and now it is trading at this level. So friends, I will take a tool from here, select tools. So I will go to this channel. Okay, in tools you could see here there is a, after annotation there is call out and channel. So there are different things, friends. You can take different things here. So there is channel, so we can mark one channel, this also, this is also a channel. This is a rectangular channel. We could say, if we take a longer perspective, so this is a rectangular channel. So you could see here, friends, this level. At this level there was a rectangular channel, which is quite big actually on daily chart. Okay, so stock was trading in this narrow, we can say in this narrow range. Okay, in this narrow range, once it crossed this level, gone higher and then came down to this. So there is a downfall level also. There is a downfall. Okay, then it given some upside move, again fall, again up rise, then. So there was some part of the time you could see here from from December, somewhere from December, we could consider this portion only, because there was once it moved up also. So from this portion you could see from 14th of February 2018 the stock was at a high of 557, and it once dipped to level of 482. Okay, so it was trading in this narrow range, friends. It was trading in this narrow range. Okay, and after this range was broken, stock has given a very good upside movement. Okay, so we can take one more channel in the uptrend. After this level is broken, we can take one more channel. Okay, and now this channel is also broken by this stock. You could see here the stock was trading in this channel. We have to take it Okay, when so this stock was trading in this range, we could see it, there is a channel. You could see there is a small channel, we can say, on daily chart. Okay, and now stock has broken that channel also. Friends, this stock has broken this channel also, and see, it has came out of channel. Okay, because see, there was an uptrend move, upward movement was there. It was falling for some 2 days, 3 days. Okay, again it is rising up. Okay, now it has come to other side. It has come to other side, and now in this range. Okay, so now we have to watch this stock for the range. Either it will fall, if there is, again we can say there is a rectangular channel again it is in a rectangular channel. So you could see here stock either it will fall below 625. Okay, our stock has to cross above 665. Okay, means it's in a range of 25 points. Friends, are you able to hear me? आवाज आ रही दोस्तों? So you could see here, friends, that stock is, it is trading in a narrow range of 25 points. It is trading in a narrow range of approximately 25 points. So it has to cross this range, okay, and give a closing above or below that level. Right. So it has to go above and below this range. Till the time the stock doesn't cross this range, it will be trading in this range. So we can trade accordingly. How can we trade as per this channel? Okay. If you look at the previous 1 day candle, there is a big fall from its high of 665. Okay, it made a low of 630 and closed at 635. Okay, the next day candle is a very small bearish candle. Okay, but see, look at the previous days. It is at this level. Once it came close to this level, lower level 625, it gone up slowly for 3-4 days. It gone up. Okay. So friends, if a stock is, we have to understand the overall trend. If we want to be, if we want to trade in any stock, wherever we are trading, we should know the overall trend or some pattern. We should try to find some pattern. So look at this. This stock is actually in a range, and the range is not big. It's just a 25 points range. Okay, so it is trading in this narrow range, and it has to, if it has to go above or below, so it means it has to give a closing above and below this range. Till the time we can trade as per this channel. We can say there's a rectangular channel formation, and stock will remain in this range. Okay, and we can trade accordingly. Right, friend? Just like look at this portion, the stock was in a range. But this range was bigger actually. Let me check how many points. So somewhere from 490 and up to 555, somewhere 56 somewhere. Okay. Right. So means there was a range of about 60 to 70 points. 60-70 points range was this. This was a 60 to 75 points range. Now this range that has recently been formed, the stock is trading in this range for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. To 10 to 11 days, stock is trading in this range. One day tried to cross this range and give a higher movement, but it could not sustain that above high level movement, and it reversed back and given a closing on the same day. It given a closing of 650. Okay, it made a high of 677 or so, 678 or so, but the same day the stock closed at somewhere 651, 652 somewhere. Okay, right, friends? So before trading any stock, we should look at broader perspective. First of all, I told you, friends, just go through the monthly chart of the stock. Look at the overall monthly chart of the stock and try to understand the behavior at the movement of the stock. Try to find the trend. We should try to find the trend, because trend is our friend. There is a simple saying in stock market that trend is our friend. So trend is like friends, it's the direction of the wind. If we want to fly a kite. So we have to fly it in the we can say the desired direction, that is in the direction of the wind. If we try to fly the kite against the direction of the wind, so there are very low chances that we could fly the kite. So same thing goes with the stock market also. Just look at this portion, the stock was in uptrend. Okay, so till this time the stock was in uptrend, but see, after this level there is a big bearish candle, the stock trend has reversed and it started downward move. Okay, it's on monthly chart. I am showing you on monthly chart, friends. Okay, so this look at this portion for how many months stock was in uptrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14th month. Okay, stock has given a bearish candle and then after it started downward journey. Okay, so for 14 months stock remained in an uptrend, means for more than 1 year stock remained in this long uptrend. Okay, now look at this, then the downward trend stock remained in approximately, I think 1 year or so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. Yes friends, for 1 year stock remained in downtrend. Okay, then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For about 6 months it is in uptrend and then in downtrend. Now for about 4 months it is in downtrend and then the trend is reversed. Okay, so friends, stocks work like this. So we have to understand their overall trend, overall we can say we should try to find the direction, because looking at these things will give us a bigger picture. Okay, and we should mark the major levels as support and resistance level and trade accordingly. These things are very helpful, friends. These things are very, very helpful. Look at the weekly chart for I think for 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 to 8 means approximately for 2 months stock remained in uptrend. Okay, now it seems that stock can reverse from this level. So we have to wait and watch for this level. I told you we have to wait for this range to be broken. If stock would break this level below 624 to 625, then there are chances that stock can fall back to this level, somewhere 550 or so. It can fall back to that level. I am not sure that it will go there, but there are chances. We see it seems to fall there. Okay, and above this level it can form new highs. Above this level it can form new highs. Let us check, is there any previous level in the high or not? Yeah, I think there is no level in the highs in the stock. Yes, there is no level. So if it crosses above this 665 and gives a closing above that level, we can wait for more confirmation above up to 670 or so. Yeah, let me check it. Yes, 680, friends. The stock has to give a closing above 680 to continue in the uptrend. It has to cross the level of 680. Once it gives a closing above 680, there are high chances that stock can it will make fresh highs. It will cross 700. Immediate target would be 700, and then the upside, just like downside, there is no it can form new highs. It can go to 700, 750 or so. So that we have to see after the stock will cross that level and after giving a closing. But immediate target is 700 above if it closes above 680. Okay. So friends, these things are very helpful. Okay, so overall try to find the trend of the stock and try to make some channel, try to make some trend line. Okay, and take a trade accordingly. Okay, so yes friend, look at this level. Actually there is a double top level also. This level, yeah, somewhere around 660 level is actually 660, 665 is actually a double top level for the stock. So that is actually a reversal sign. So if we have to wait for this stock to continue, if stock crosses this level, then surely it will make fresh lifetime highs. But if it could not sustain this level, then it is likely to fall back to this range again or even lower also. But yeah, immediate level would be 550, 560. It would be the immediate level if it could not cross this level of 665. Okay, now friends, I will start with the breakouts. So breakout is actually, there are different kinds of breakout, just like I am telling you that there is a double top level in this stock. Okay, at the level of 665. Okay, so for the stock has to continue above that level, so we have to wait for this level to be broken. So that would be a breakout. If stock gives a closing above this level, then it would be a breakout. Okay, and we will call it as a double top breakout, right? So there are different types of breakout, friends. There are different types of breakouts starting from 5 minutes to, we can say, monthly chart. So let us go to smallest, that is from 5 minutes breakout. That is for intraday, friends. For intraday, we have to check the 5 minutes level, and we check it as per the first 5 minutes candle. Okay, how we do that? We check the first 5 minutes candle of the stock and trade for the day. Okay, so this is the previous day candle. Let me mark the previous day candle of the stock. If we generally look at the chart, it clearly shows that stock remained in a range in the previous day. What is this? Stock is not moving. What happened, friends? The chart has locked. How is that? Yeah, this is moving here. What happened? I will open it in. Let us check in 10 minutes. What happened? Because it is deleted once. Okay, I will remove this also. Let us reload it again. So friends, there are different kinds of breakouts. Okay, and for breakout, if we want to study any if we want to trade any breakout, so for breakouts to be confirm or to get some idea of the breakout, real or true breakouts, we should add volume. Okay, for that we should add volume to trade. Just look at this, friends. Look at this big 5 minutes candle. So friends, sorry, this is 10 minutes candle. Let me go back and check the 5 minutes candle also. Okay. I will once again go back. Yeah, this is actually 10th of September. Okay, so I will looking for this candle actually. Okay, so friends, I will mark its high and low. Okay, but this is 10 minutes candle. I will tell you a breakout of the 5 minutes. Let me just mark this level actually. Okay friends, so now I will shift it to, and this date is 10th of September actually. So let us open it in 5 minutes time frame. go back to, yeah. So look at this friends, I have marked this candle in 10 minutes time frame, but look at the 5 minutes candle movement. How big is the 5 minutes candle? So generally friends, the first 15 minutes movement of the stock is very big, and after that the stock movements are restricted to small range, or they move in a narrow range, or in the same 15 minutes candle range for the whole day. So if you look at this stock for the whole day, whether it remained in this range or not, yes, for the whole day stock remained in this range of 15 minutes friends. Sorry, it has gone higher also, it has little moved upside also, but then after it started downward move and remained in this range. Here it tried to break its low of the first 15 minutes candle also, or we can say the first 15 minutes candle, because see, if you look at 3 candles, 1, 2 and 3, so this is the range of 15 minutes. So let me mark the 15 minutes range of the stock. Okay, so I have marked the 15 minutes range of the stock. So you could see here friends, we can trade as per the 5 minutes breakout, or as per the 10 minutes breakout, or the 15 minutes breakout. Okay, generally 15 minutes breakout is very reliable and quite helpful in trading. Okay, but someone can take the trade as per 5 minutes breakout also. So what they have to look, once stock breaks its high, that is the 5 minutes. Okay, so once stock breaks that high, we can take an entry in the buy side. Okay, right friends. So in this case, the target would be half of the size of the first 5 minutes candle. Okay, so that is 1 minute. Its high is approximately, yeah, it's a quite big movement friends. It's a rare candle actually. Okay, it's not a normal candle. Okay, normal looking candle, it's a quite big actually. So this is a rare movement friends. So see what happened in this day. What happened, stock has given a very good movement in 5 minutes time frame. It given in first 5 minutes of trading, it moved from 645 and made a high of 673. So that was a very big movement. Okay, approximately we could say about 70 points movement is this in this just one candle. Okay, so it's a rare candle actually. Normally candles are not that big. Okay, so in this case, if someone try to take an entry in buy side about that level, then surely the stop loss would be hit, because see, the stock has, then after the movement was seized, after that the movement became very small and the stock has taken a reversal from the top. So look at the next after the red candle after this green candle actually. Okay, so after this level stock has given a downward movement. So what has happened this day? So there was initially in the before opening or at the opening time, yeah, it simply it opened at this level. Yeah, it opened at the close of the previous day, opened at that level. Okay, and there was a big, maybe there is some good news related to Axis Bank that day, so that has led to the stock to move to that high. Okay, but friends, what happened after this big movement? There's a big movement about 70 points in just 5 minutes. Look at after that it made to another 1 minute. Yeah, it remained in there. Okay, see the next we can say 5 minutes, 10 minutes, stock made to 675 and so. Okay, and finally it attained the height of 677 or 78 or so, and see the next candle after that stock has moved on. So what has happened after this big movement? Simply friends, try to understand, if stock gives such a big movement on any day, so we should try to find the shorting opportunities in this case. We should try to try the shorting opportunities in this case, but I am telling you about the breakout trading. So this day, if someone has bought above this first 5 minutes candle, so generally what we do in breakout condition, if we wait for the stock, I am telling you as per 5 minutes time frame, which is quite risky also, little risky also. Okay, so for trading this 5 minutes breakout, we need to be quick in our decision and take profit or even book losses immediately. Okay, because the first 5 minutes candle of first 5 minutes movement of any stock is very volatile. You might have seen even it gives wild movements in one sided, okay, then show it opposite side movements also. So same thing has happened in this stock also. It opened at, it started at this level of 645, and so it made a high of 673. Okay, after 2, 3, 4 candles, it made to maximum movement of 678, and so there was a small movement. Okay, and then after the stock reversed. So see, it once gone below from the level of 678, it's one gone below 645. It made a low of 663. 643 point maybe 63 or so. So means this day it has given both side movements are very big actually. So it has given benefit in profit in both sides. So though all those people who have bought at this level, they have taken profit in this range. After they take their profit, maybe they have shorted again at this level, and stock fell down to this level. They booked again. Okay. So big players play like this. Okay, this big candle is created by the entry of the big players in this stock that day, and that might be due to some good news in stock. So that led the stock to move from 645 level to 678 level. Okay, and after that they have shorted. They took their profit, and see, the stock came down to this level. Okay, so after that stock movement was in a range. Yeah, let me show you, because this movement is rare friends. Such movements are not seen normally. Now let me show you a simple strategy. If we get a normal candle, just like look at this, I am focusing on this candle only. Let me just zoom out, just to show you that how can we take a decision as per if we are playing 5 minutes breakout. So how we can take an entry, buy side or sell side. Okay, so let me just show you this candle. Okay, now look at this 5 minutes candle friends. Look at this 5 minutes candle. So what we need to do in this case is we have to wait for the first 5 minutes candle to be completed. Just wait for the first 5 minutes candle to be completed. So market opens at 9:15. So first 5 minutes candle will be completed by 9:20. So after 9:20 we can take a decision to buy or sell according to the candles. Okay, so simply friends, what we have to see is, if this candle is green, the first 5 minutes candle is green, and the second candle, it gives a closing, it opens above, or we can say it goes above this 5 minutes candle high. Okay, if it goes above this 5 minutes candle high, so we can take a buy side entry, and in this case our target would be equal to half of the total movement of this candle. First 5 minute candle movement is, so let us check the differences. How much difference is this? This is 649.68. Let us take 649.60. okay, and the other, or we can simply take 649 and 656. Okay, so there is approximately 7 points gap friends. So 7 points gap, so we can take half of this, which is approximately 3.5. Okay, so we can expect a target of 3.5 rupees in this stock if we are trading as per the first 5 minutes breakout. Okay, so we have to look at this condition, and stop loss would be at the low of the first 5 minutes candle. Okay, so see here friends, in this case the stock has given a movement upside. It moved above 656, 657, okay, and made up to 664. Okay, so approximately it has given us 8 to 9 points friends. Yeah, approximately 8 points. Let us take 8 points only. Okay, so that was a good entry, good trade. That was a good trade. हेलो, माले जी पूछ रहे हैं। हेलो माले जी, कैसे आप? सर मैं ब्रेकआउट बता रहा हूँ, ब्रेकआउट्स। हाँ, तो 5 मिनट्स का ब्रेकआउट हमने कैसे खेलना वो मैं बता रहा हूँ। कि डिफरेंट टाइप के ब्रेकआउट्स हैं, तो फर्स्ट 5 मिनट्स ब्रेकआउट हम कैसे कर सकते हैं, उसके लिए क्या कंडीशन होना चाहिए, ठीक है। Okay, so friends, is this trade is clear, how we can trade as per first 5 minutes breakout. Okay, now let us go to next day or move to other days. Now look at this. This day is there is a shorting opportunity, friends. This day stock has given us a shorting opportunity. I will reload the chart. There is some problem with the chart. Okay. I am telling this day, friends. Look at this day. Look at the first candle, friends. It is a bearish candle. Okay. It is a bearish candle. So actually this is a bearish candle, and we could see this candle opened here. Okay, its high is also same, and low is somewhere this level. So let me mark the low also. I will take the line that level. Okay, so see friends, this is the first 5 minutes candle. One minute, friends, there is some call. हेलो, हाँ संदीप भाई, ओ यार पढ़ा रहा था, बोल बोल। हाँ हाँ हाँ, मैं ऑनलाइन पढ़ाता हूँ ना, बोल बोल। हाँ हाँ हाँ, अच्छा, अभी गया है रात को, अच्छा 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 तेन रिसीव कोड़ी है, तेन मिलने कोड़ी नहीं, तेन एज नु किता ली मिले वांग टेस्ट में फ्री द लोड था, मी कॉल बच्चे को एग्जाम भी है, कहते बजी जैसा 65 बजी ताली जैसा चलो जो आने जैसा बच्चन की तैयारी हो जाए स्कूल कौन होते। अच्छा ओके, सो फ्रेंड्स आप देख सकते हैं, मैं 5 मिनट्स ब्रेकआउट आपको बता रहा हूँ कि 5 मिनट ब्रेकआउट थोड़ा सा ये क्या हो सकता है, रिस्की प्लेयर्स के लिए हो सकता है, लेकिन आपको कंडीशन ये लेनी कि फर्स्ट कैंडल आपको देखना है, फर्स्ट कैंडल कैसा है और सेकंड कैंडल के हिसाब से आपको ट्रेड करना है, ठीक है। सेकंड या थर्ड कैंडल जो भी मिल रहा है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आपको ट्रेड करना है, राइट। देखो जैसे फर्स्ट कैंडल आपका जो है बेरिश है, और आपको पता है इस कैंडल का हाई और लो इक्वल है, क्योंकि इसकी कोई वो नहीं है, विक नहीं बनी है, इस कैंडल की कोई विक नहीं है, सिंगल बिल्कुल ऊपर से बिल्कुल शेव्ड कैंडल है, ठीक है, मतलब इसके बिल्कुल साफ है कैंडल ऊपर से। अब मैं आपको कैंडल थोड़ा सा दिखा देता हूँ एक बार। तो ऐसी कैंडल का मतलब है कि इसका हाई और ओपन हाई इक्वल है, क्योंकि ये बेरिश कैंडल है, रेड कैंडल है, तो इसका ओपन और हाई ये यहीं पे खुला है और यहीं से यही इसका हाई बना है। ओपन और हाई एक कंडीशन आपने सुना होगा कि ये सेल का कंडीशन होता है। सो ये सेलिंग कैंडिडेट था स्टॉक उस दिन के, और हम देखते हैं कि इसने कितना रिजल्ट हमको दी है, क्योंकि हमारा टारगेट जो है इस कैंडल के साइज का हाफ है, टारगेट हमारा जो टारगेट है कैंडल के साइज का हाफ है, ओके राइट। सो आप देख सकते हैं दूसरा कैंडल फ्रेंड्स, सेकंड कैंडल आई थिंक इससे भी बड़ा बना है, ठीक है, सेकंड कैंडल का ये कितना डिफरेंस आ रहा है 650 टू 658, तो 8 रुपीज का अप्रोक्सीमेट इसका साइज है। सो हम 4 रुपीज का टारगेट लेके इसमें, क्योंकि जैसे हमने एंट्री डेली सेल साइड एंट्री, और हमारा टारगेट कितना होना चाहिए 4 रुपीज कैंडल के हिसाब से। ओके तो ये स्टॉक ने कैंडल मतलब कितना 643 या अप्रोक्सीमेटली हम क्या सकते हैं कि फर्स्ट कैंडल में ही हमें, सॉरी हाँ ये तो फुल साइज की हम बात कर रहे हैं, और 4 रुपीज तो इसने बीच में ही दे दिया। 646 कहाँ पे हमारा, ये रहा 646। सो इस कैंडल ने यहीं तक अपना फर्स्ट टारगेट जो था वो अचीव कर लिया। ठीक है, तो ये बहुत मतलब इसने ये जबरदस्त हमारा ट्रेड हो सकता था अगर हम इसको शॉर्ट करते। तो ये फर्स्ट 4 मिनट्स, सो सी दिस स्टॉक हैज गिवन इट्स टारगेट बाय दिस रेंज फ्रेंड्स, because our target would be half of this first 5 minutes candle size. So whatever difference, the difference is approximately 8 rupees, so its half is 4 rupees. Okay, so we can expect a target of 4 rupees, and by taking the target we should exit. Okay, right friends, so this is a right trade for safe players. We should work like this, take the target equal to half of the first 5 minutes candle and exit. Okay, so see after that stock, but see as per the condition, the stock was a selling candidate, actually its high and low was equal. So many people have shorted this stock, and see it has once dipped to this level friends, but see here it formed a reversal candle, and see after that stock given some reversal also up to this level. Okay, and the whole day then it remained in this range. Here it again also given some dip from 643 to, yeah, but that was a later part of the time after, yeah, and after 245 actually one would have taken a trade at this level also. ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो ये 5 मिनट्स का ब्रेकआउट आप इस तरीके से आप इसको काम कर सकते हो। और दूसरी चीज है फ्रेंड्स, यू कैन ट्रेल योर स्टॉप लॉस। ओके, कीप ट्रेलिंग द स्टॉप लॉस एंड बी इन द ट्रेड। ओके, so in this case our target is in the ratio of 1:1. If we are expecting stop loss, target of 4 rupees, so our stop loss would also be 4 rupees, so we will keep stop loss somewhere in the midway. Okay, and even immediately after the stock it gives our target, so we can do one more thing, that we can trail stop loss to somewhere 1 rupee towards the target side, so that even in case that stop loss is hit, we can be saved from our brokerage. Our brokerage is saved. Okay, our brokerage is saved, and in this way we can take more profits. Just like see, stock given us movement of 4 rupees somewhere in this range. Okay, and it gone down to, overall it has gone down to 630 friends, 630.31. So yeah, 631 approximately given us 631 rupees movement from 650. So 20 rupees move friends, 20 rupees move was there, so that was wonderful movement of, okay, that was a wonderful movement. Okay, so let us go to next day. Yeah, this is the next day friends. Look, first 5 minutes candle, I will mark its high and low. So let's mark the high and low. Okay, so you could see the high and low of the stock. Okay, and look at the next candle friends. The next candle has not even broken its high and low, so we cannot, even not the third candle also not, that remained in the range. So it should be better for us to not to take any, because it has neither broken high and not low, so there is no, we can say that this trade is not initiated. This trade is not initiated. Okay, so this day we will not trade on this stock. Okay, this day we will not trade on this stock as per the 5 minute strategy. Okay friends, so hopefully this 5 minute strategy is clear to everybody. Five minutes breakout strategy. So friends, after that I will explain the 15 minutes breakout strategy. 15 minutes breakout strategy is quite reliable as compared to 5 minutes breakout strategy. So let us go back to some past levels. Okay, so look at this level friends. I will take one level where it is clearly shown that stock has given a very good movement. Okay, so this is high of the day, and look at the, yeah, actually 15 minutes. Okay, so this is a 15 minutes candle friends. Look at this day. This is our first 15 minutes candle, which is not a big candle. Actually it's a small candle compared to other candles in the downside. I was thinking that these are the this is 5 minutes chart, but this is actually 15 minutes chart. So stock opened somewhere yeah, it opened at somewhere 583. Okay, made a high of 583 584.26, approximately 584 maybe. Okay, and a low of 576.65 and closed at, the candle closed at 578.82. Okay, now look at the next candle friends. The next candle has given a breakout of the first 15 minutes. The breakout I was telling you, the first 15 minutes breakout, it's quite reliable and a good trade. So friends, most of the time this trade can be wonderful. Okay, so see this day, yeah, this is 31st of July. That stock, you know, its first 15 minutes range was this. Okay, and look at the next candle. The next candle has broken the low of the, you know, stock, and you know, we can take a sell entry even at the second candle. We can take a short trade in this candle. Okay, keeping, in this case our stop loss should be at the, you know, at the high of the stock. So high was 684 and low was 656. Okay, so we can sell this stock keeping the stop loss of this level. Okay, immediately the stop loss should be this level friends, but later we can immediately trail the stop loss once stock gives us movement. So see, after this candle is completed, stock, we are sell trade is initiated in the first in the very second candle. In the very second, sell trade is initiated. Okay, so we should sell the stock at least 1 point below the low. So low is somewhere, let me just check it, approximately we can say 5676 is the low. 1 minute. Low is 756. Yes, so we can sell below 757. Sorry, 575. Sorry, 575 we can sell below 575 we can sell below 575 we can sell, and see the stock, it has given a very good movement downside. So in this case friends, we can again extend the same logic of keeping the, you know, target of the half of this candle size. So that is actually it is 576 to 583 447 44, approximately 8 points again friends, approximately 8 points gap is this. Okay, so we can keep a target of 8 points after selling below 1 point of the previous level. This candle low, that is 575 below, we shorted it, and the target should be at 570 or so. So approximately 570 is this level friends. By this level stock has given us the target, and look at this previous level also. There is a previous support level we can say for the stock, but now this candle, next candle has broken that level. Okay, so friends, once we get the target, we should immediately you know, trail stop loss at cost to cost, at least at cost to cost, or even, you know, take profit and exit once. downgrade more because nobody knows that what will happen next, right? So we can trade like this. So those who want to, those who are risky players, they can trail the stop loss at cost and wait for the stock to further go downside. So see, this day the stock remained, whole day the stock remained down, and it made a low of this level of 548 or so, 548.40 or so. Okay, but that is by the closing time actually. Yeah, that is by the closing time. So see friends, one would have taken profit at this level or even this level and exited in the trade. So this stock has given wonderful movement this day. From 575 it made to 553 or so. So friends, it has given us approximately, we could say 18 to 20 points. So that was a wonderful trade, friends. I will remove one line. So let us go to next day. What happened next day? See friends, next day again, even next day also it has given us good selling opportunity. This day is also a very good selling opportunity. Look at this level. This is the first 5 minutes candle range, 15 minutes candle range. This is first 15 minutes candle range. Okay. This candle is small actually. Okay. Its difference is only, we can say, approximately 5 points difference is there. Yeah, approximately 5 to 6 points. So friends, we will keep a target of 3 rupees because approximately 6 piece gap. There is a 6 piece gap, so we will sell below 1 point, that is 649. So we can sell below 549. So we can sell below 549 or so, even yes, 549 below we can sell it. Okay, and our target would be 546. So friends, it has given that target by this time only. So this candle is big actually. It made a low of 543 approximately, we could say 543.12 or so, the first candle. Okay, see, after that stock has gone to 541.3 or so, and the whole day stock remained in this range. So means it is the best target to take our profit in the first candle, and after that the stock remained in this range. So friends, that's why I am telling that whenever stock gives us some target, so we should take that target and exit. At first target is very important. We should take first target. Safe players should take exit at first target. Those who want to gain more from that very stock in the sell or buy trade. So for those, the ideal way of doing is we should trail a stop loss at at cost to cost at least, or even at some profit size, at least 1 point in the profit size, so that in case the stop loss is hit, we are safe from our brokerage. So in case of if our brokerage is also saved, so in that case our trade is neutral. So it is like we have not taken any trade, so there is no loss, no profit. Okay, so this is for risky traders, those who want to take some risk. So for those people, this is the concept that they should keep the stock after selling or buying. We should move the stop loss to buy or sell level. Okay, we should trail the stop loss at buy or sell level, and wait for the stock to give further movements. But see, this day friends, stock remained in this range only, but yes, it would not have hit our stop loss. It would not have hit our stop loss. So we can say that at the end of the day, at the after approximately by 3 o'clock, okay, we should take an exit from this trade. Because see, the whole day, look at the candles, they are clearly showing that there is a small range. Okay, and the whole day stock remained in this range, friends. Now let us go to next day. This is the next day candle. This is first 15 minutes candle, range friends. So the range is from approximately 539 to 545. So again approximately 6 points range. Yes, 6 points range friends. There is 6 points gap. 1 minute. Okay, so see friends, this stock remained in this range for quite a long time actually, and see, at this point of time it has given a breakout of this level. Even at this level also it given a, it may be okay, maybe it has gone, but yeah, it made high and then candle closed below it. Okay, so someone might have entered in this range also, keeping stop loss of somewhere at 3 points below. So means if we have bought at 545, so our stop loss should be at 542. So let us see our stop loss. I think our stop loss would be hit. Yeah, stop loss is saved by, we can say approximately 10 paisa. Our stop loss would be saved friends. After entering in this candle, our stop loss is saved by approximately 10 paisa. And see, the next candle moved up and it moved up to 550 friends. So it has given us target of how much target? Yeah, approximately we can say it has given us 4 to 5 rupees, but our target is actually 3 rupees. Yeah, our target is actually 3 rupees, so it has given us target. See this day friends, look at this day. Yeah, this is the 546 to 555. Okay, approximately 9 points. Approximately 9 points range. So here we can take a target of approximately, we can say 5 rupees. We can say roughly we can take a, just like we can consider that is 10 rupees. So we can keep a target of 4 to 5 rupees here also. And see friends, this day we would have entered in this stock in this range. Okay, keeping stop loss of suppose we entered at 550, 556, keeping stop loss of 550. What is this? 556. Yeah. So we will keep a stop loss of 553. Okay. So with the stop loss of 553, stock has not gone to that level and given a very big movement. See, it moved up to 575. So once entering in this level, friends, once stock hits our target of 3 rupees, sorry, 5 rupees, not 3 rupees, it's 5 rupees. Suppose we entered 556. So our 5 rupee target is 561. So even this second candle after this range, this second candle has hit our target. So in this case, friends, we would have trailed stop loss. Okay, after this candle is, we would have trailed stop loss at cost to cost. After we came to cost, okay, see, after that it moved up to 575. So friends, this 15 minutes, range breakout is quite reliable and successful also. So you can trade as per this 15 minutes breakout in, any index or any stock. Because it's a very good, breakout. Look at this day. I will just show you without putting lines. So you could simply say 606 or 7. Okay, 607 high and 691. What is this? 607 and 691. Sorry, 591, 92 approximately. So there is a big range, friends. Approximately, let us take 92 to 887. 15 points range, friends. There is a range of 15 points, but stock has not, we can say, given us a breakout. At the end of the day, we can say in half of the time after 11, it has given a it broke the down. Here it broke this level also. Low is broken, but stock has not fallen much. Okay, even it would not have hit a stop loss also. So we might have it somewhere at cost to cost or so. Yes. So someday, friends, it is not always that stock will give a movement every day and we will in profit. So someday stocks may not move as per our levels and may trade in a range. So this day, friends, stock remain in approximately a range and there is not a big movement. There is not a big movement. So if we have shorted at this level, okay, so it has moved down. It is up to 691 somewhere, okay, and it made to 684 or so. So maybe by this time a target would be it somewhere. It has given us some profit also, but that's a small, friends. Yes. Okay, friends, so hopefully you have got the concept of this 15 minutes breakout. So friends, we can extend this like 30 minutes breakout, 1 hour breakout, and so. So let us check 30 minutes breakout. How to trade as per 30 minutes candle size. So we can apply same logic to 30 minutes range also and wait for the breakout to happen. But for intraday, friends, the most reliable is 15 minutes breakout is more reliable. Okay, so better stick to 15 minutes breakout, because see, if we take I am checking 30 minutes candle. So 30 minutes candle range is very big, 645 to, I think I have got that same candle. Yeah, this is same candle, friends. Avoid this candle actually, because that day something big was there. Otherwise, let us go to some normal range. Yes, this day, friends, look at on 3rd of September. 3rd of September range is very good and very, it would be a very good trade, friends. It would be a very good trade if we would have gone with this level as per 30 minutes breakout. Sorry. So look at this, friends, this day. Look at 30 minutes. Once the stock broke this 30 minutes range, see, we would have initiated our entry in somewhere in this range, and see, after that stock came to this level. Okay, so it has given us a wonderful, we can say, movement on that day. So it means we can say that the whole day stock remained in clear downtrend. Clear downtrend, 653. Okay, approximately 653, 654 high, and low 643. So means, friends, 10 rupees, we could consider 10 rupees and see, we would have got 5 rupees, or even it might have given us 10 rupees also. 643, 630, more than 10 rupees. More than 10 rupees, okay. So friends, this way there are different types of trades, just as simply on the basis of time frame. Look at this candle and see the range. After this high is broken, see, it has given equal candle. Okay, so it has given out, it has also given us a good trade. I am telling this day. Okay, friends, so hopefully this concept of breakout of 5 minutes and 50 minutes and 30 minutes breakout is very clear to everybody. So friends, this trade does not need any other indicator. We just take two lines to mark their high and low and trade accordingly. We don't need any other indicators. Nothing to be seen, just totally, but this is purely a, it's purely a intraday trade. It's purely an intraday trade. Don't consider it as for positional trade or anything, right? It is simply a intraday trade, friends. Okay, friends. So now let us go to. I think time is. Let me just check how many people are. Friends, how many people are there?